Hey everyone. So, not really doing the greatest today. My hand was doing very well. For a few days I was so happy. I thought that my hand was healing. And that was it. After that day, it's been almost as bad as when I had to go to the emergency room. So, also I've been having trouble sleeping. So, thank God the last 2 nights I slept well, but I'm still tired. Like my body still needs to make up for not being able to sleep the 2 nights before. Anyway, today I'm going to do these two purple colors. And this time I am using strawberry. Last week it was Fun Day Sunday. This is strawberry. I just wanted to point out right here, it's like three colors. It's a blue, a pink, and a beige. I love that marble effect. It only comes out like a beige, but I really do love that marble effect. On my eyes, I'm just using the purple concealer because I'm definitely not going to use that on my face. I don't need it. I'm going to go into that pretty purple right there. Noticing that this purple has like a pink, I don't know if it's a duochrome or I don't know. Is it an undertone? But I keep seeing pink. I'm gonna use that dark purple underneath. It's a matte too. But since I put so much purple, it does, of the frosty purple, it's picking that up. I'm going to try this pretty white frosty. It looks like it's got like a little bit of blue in it. I'm going to put that on the brow bone. I'm so sorry, I'm leaning. I have a tendency to lean. Alright. Those of you who've watched me a long time, you know I do that. I think it's because of my back injuries from the accident all those years ago. But, you know, not really sure. Since I have deep set eyes, I always manage to get that crease color in my inner corner lip. And then I'm going back in to this blackened purple and just take a little bit of that and just define. So I'm just gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So I started putting on, this one is a strawberry something or other. It's very sheer. You got to put a lot of coats to make it more opaque, and I put liner to help it be opaque too. Anyway,